Welcome to District 11 CRM. Let's walk through how to add a new opportunity to your sales pipeline. Here, you can see the list of opportunities and easily filter them by stage: all, prospect, business opportunity, proposal, verbal, closed, lost, or won. This allows you to quickly assess where each opportunity stands. To add a new opportunity, click on Add Opportunity. You'll first enter the opportunity name and select the stage. Start with prospect for new deals, then assign an owner. This is the person from your team responsible for the opportunity. Next, choose the account, the company you're working with. Select the contact, the key person you'll be interacting with on the client side. Enter the deal value and set the start date, when the opportunity was created, and the end date, the expected date the deal will close. For insights, set the probability percentage to reflect how likely this opportunity is to close. Next, add your products, services. Simply select items from the list of products and services you've created with the price set by default. You can adjust the quantity and the total amount will be calculated automatically. Don't forget to add a description to provide any additional context. Once all the information is in, hit Save, and your opportunity will be added to the list. With District 11 CRM, managing and tracking your opportunities has never been easier. Start using it today.